Yes. To find the day for this date, we have to divide it into two parts. First part is how many years are completed before this date? How many years are completed?
So 2022.
2021 completed, 22 running. That's why 21 completed. So in 2021 years, how many odd days are there? So we need to find that one first. Okay. And later in 2022 also, in 2022 also, up to what date? Up to 15th August. So 15 August, we need to find number of odd days. So in these two parts. Okay, tell me first, how to split this number? 2000 plus 21 years. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, up to 2000 years, how many odd days are there?
Sir, zero.
Zero, sir.
21 years, we have to split into leap plus non-leap. How
So
many
five
leap years will be there?
20 plus 1.
5 leap years. 5
So
leap
20 plus 1.
5 leap years. No. Directly we have to take 21 only. So below 100, we have to take the number as it is. Below 100. Okay.
So 5 and 16 non-leap years.
Yes, correct. Out of 21 years.
Sir, we divided by 4, right? We
5
divide
leap
21
years.
by 4, right?
16 leap
Yes,
years.
but 21 by 4 quotient. Okay. And the remaining 16 years are normal years or non-leap years. Okay, tell me 5 leap years consists of how many odd days? 5 2s are
10 days. 2 odd.
16 non-leap years consists of how many odd days?
16 odd.
16 only. So again cancel 7. If we cancel 7, here the remainder is 3. Here the remainder is 2. Okay. If you cancel 7, means if you divide this number by 7, what is the remainder? 3. Here it is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So overall 5 odd days are there in 2021 years. Okay. And later we have to find the in 2022 also till 15 August. So from where we need to start?
Sir, how did we find the number of odd days for 5 leap years?
Sorry?
Sir, how did we find number of odd days for 5 leap years?
How many odd days for 5 leap years? 1 leap year consists of 2 odd days, correct?
Yes, sir. Okay.
5 leap years consists of 5 2s are 10, but 10 is not in our range. We have to bring this number into our range. Means we have to subtract 7. Or you have to divide that number by 7 and the remainder is 3. Okay. Right. Next to see in 2022 up to August 15 means we have to start from January. January consists of how many odd days?
3.
3. February? Tell. 0 because it is not a leap year. 2022 is not a leap year. That's why 0. Okay. March?
So 3.
Yeah, all of you, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. January, February, March is okay. Next, April?
Sir, 2.
May?
3.
June?
2.
2. July?
3.
3. And August? Actually 3, but we
Sir, 1.
it till the end.
Sir, 1.
Yeah,
Sir,
only
1.
Right. Here cancel 7 multiples again. 3 plus 1 is 7.
7.
2 plus 3 plus 2 is 7. So finally, how many odd days are there?
Sir?
3, correct? Yes or no? 3.
Yes, sir. Sir, this 5 leap years we got as 10, sir. How you cancelled it 3, sir?
Sorry?
I forgot it, sir. This how you got this 3, sir?
I'm not cancelling 3. I'm cancelling 7 multiples.
Not that, sir. Not that. In 2021, in plus 2000 plus 21, you wrote as a 5L plus 16.
Yeah.
5L you
leap
can.
years and
You kept
16 non-leap years.
Yes. So down you wrote 10, sir. Why? How you got, sir, that 10?
So for every leap year, there are 2 odd days. So 5 leap years consists of 5 2s are 10 odd days.
10.
So 10 days means
Yes.
1 week plus 3 days.
No, sir. Okay.
So we need only the 3 odd days. Okay, you are not referring or you are not practicing previous classes. You are listening to my class freshly. Every time you are listening to my class fresh. Okay, overall number of hard days are 5 plus 3 is. Tell me, this is 5 and this is 3. How many hard days?
8, sir.
One odd day.
Yes, there is only one hard day. So we have to start 0 with Sunday, correct? In standard method.
Yes, sir.
0 Sunday
Yes.
means 1 will be Monday.
Monday.
So answer is Monday. Right? All of you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
but this method is too long.
Yeah, somewhat. Okay. And now we'll see the shortcut method.
Yeah, sir, you told today you will explain all shortcut methods.
Okay. See, in standard method, we have divided the question into 2 parts only, but in shortcut method, we have to divide the given date into 5 parts. 5 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the given date? Above date is, tell me again that date. 15 August.
15th August 2022.
2022. Okay, 2022. So we have to divide this date into 5 parts. Okay, what are those 5 parts? See here. So for every century, it is in which century actually? The given date is in which century?
So 20th
21st.
century.
Yeah, is it 21st century or 20th century or 19th century?
Sir,
21st.
21st.
Yeah, actually this is
21st.
in 21st century. Okay, because 20 centuries are over, it is in 21st century. We are in 21st century or 22nd century?
So 21st.
21st century. But as you are in the classroom, let us take it as 20th century only. Whatever may be the number, we'll consider that as a century. Okay. Okay, that is up to in our classroom only. If it is 20, we'll consider it 20th century. If it is 19, we'll consider it 19th century. If it is 18, we'll consider it as 18th century. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, see. For every century, there is a separate code. We need to memorize that code. I'll tell how to memorize that code. As of now, accept it. Okay. For every century, there is a separate code. We have to memorize that code. Okay. This thing we need to memorize. Right? Completed?
Yes,
Up to now
sir.
clear? Okay. In that century, how many years are there? How many extra years are there?
22.
22, we can take it as directly 22. So here nothing to remember. Directly we are taking from the question only 22. Extra years in that century. Okay, it is in 20th century, and for every century we have a separate code. We need to memorize that one. And in that century, how many years are there? We can take them directly. No need to do -1 here. Directly we have to take those many years, 2022. Okay.
Okay,
Clear up to
sir.
now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In those 22 years, how many leap years will be there? 22 years, how many leap years will be there? Confirm leap years. Sorry?
5 years, sir. 5 leap years.
Confirmed.
Yeah, 5 leap years, 5 confirmed leap years. Okay, 6th one we can't say, but 5 confirmed leap years. So here, this one also we are taking from this point only. Here we don't need to memorize anything in this third part. Okay. Clear? Up to this part is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, with these three terms, year part is over. Now coming to the months. So it is in which month? August, right?
August.
The 8th
And
month.
for every month, there is a separate code. We need to memorize those codes. So this thing we need to memorize. I'll tell those codes. Okay, later I will tell those codes. So as of now, accept it. So for every month, there is a separate code. We need to memorize it. And after that, in that month, how many days are there? In that month, how many days are there?
15.
31.
15 days.
So
We
31.
have to take it as directly 15. Here we don't need to memorize anything. Directly, if it is 15, 15. If it is 20, we have to take 20. If it is 30, we have to take 30. Okay. Actually, how many parameters are there? How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
Out of 5 parts, we need to memorize how many parts? 1 and 2. And the remaining 3 parts are directly available in the question only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the first one? Century code. And what is that fourth one? Month code.
Month.
So in this
Month
shortcut method, we need to memorize these two things. So if they are predefined in our mind, then we can use them directly. So let us see what are those.
I did not understand the shortcut method.
Sorry,
I did not understand the shortcut method.
you will understood. Okay, you will get understood. Just wait.
Sir, I have some doubts in directions module, so I'll just post it to you in the Wise app.
Already posted.
No, sir, I'll post it. I'm telling
Okay,
you.
you can post it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Let me solve one question with this method, and first before that, let me complete this. What is this century code and what is this month code? Okay. Ready? All of you,
Yes,
are you
sir.
ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first one, I'm taking century code. Century code. Sir, actually there are many centuries. For every century, you are telling for every century there is a code. How to memorize all those codes? See how to memorize simply. What are the odd days we have? What are the odd days? Tell me.
100. So
Sir,
for
for
100
100 it's 5
years,
years.
5.
2, 3,
And
4,
5 days.
6. Yes or no? Up to 6 only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Remove all odd numbers. Remove all odd numbers.
So 1, 3, and 5.
Taking off 3 and taking off 5. Yes. And remaining numbers, read them.
0, 2, 4, 6.
0 to 4, 6.
Read them in the reverse order.
6, 4, 2, 0.
6420.
4, 2, 0. That's all. These are the codes for centuries. 6420. These are the codes for centuries. But now here your doubt is which code for which century? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
100 century 6, something like that.
Okay. Actually, 6420 is the cycle. So 6420 is the cycle means we can use them, reuse them. 6420, again also 6420, and again also 6420, and so on. And so on. You can take as many numbers as you want. And for which century, what is the code is here we don't need to memorize all the things. Just to remember this one. For 19th century, code is 0. For 19th century, code is 0. 19th century here intention is any year number is given between 1900 to 1999. 1900 to 1999, you can use that code as 0. Okay. So if 19th century is 0, what is the century after 19th century?
So 20th.
20th century.
20th century code is 6.
So 2.
21st century code
Okay,
is
okay.
4. 18th century code is
2,
So 2.
2. 17th century,
So 4.
4,
my pen is stucking. Why? 17th century code is 4. So in that way, we can memorize all those codes. I think you got it. Okay. So you don't need to memorize all these things. Just to remember this one. 6420 cycle, and for 19th century it is 0. 19th century means 1900 to 1999. Any number is given, we'll consider it as 19th century. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is all about the century codes. Now let us take the month codes also. Month codes.
No, sir.
What no?
Sir, I'm not understanding.
6420. These are predefined for this standard method. These are predefined already. Just we are learning them. Okay. Just we are memorizing them. Shreyan, remember like this. 6420 is the 6420 is the century code. For 19th century 0. For 19th century 0 means before 19, 18, before 18, 17, before 17, 16. And what is after
Why
19?
like that, sir?
20, 21.
Why 0 is 19?
Sorry?
Why 0 is 19th century?
That is what I am telling. They are already pre-existed. So we are learning them just.
Okay.
We are not proving them.
Okay.
We are
Sir, I
learning.
found a similar formula
Existing.
online before the class. It's called Zeller's formula.
Sorry.
Sir, I found a similar formula before the class, like before joining the class. So it's called Zeller's formula. It is similar to this one, sir.
Okay, okay. After explaining one question, you can compare those two. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Then month codes. We'll see month codes also. How many months are there total?
Sir, 12
12.
months.
12 months. I'm dividing into 4 groups. Each group consists of how many months?
3. sir.
3.
3. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay. And I'm asking already known numbers. I'm asking, tell me, what is 12 square?
So 144.
144. Okay. 5 square is?
75.
5 square. 5 square is 25. But I need a 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3. 3-digit number.
0 to 5.
Very good. Very good. 0 to 5. 6 square is?
036.
036.
And tell me, 12 square plus 2 is how much?
146.
146. Okay. So that's all. These are the codes for century. Sorry, months. And here see, these codes are not from 12 square, 5 square, 6 square, and 12 square plus 2. To memorize all these things, we are using them as memory tip. Okay. Right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now tell me respective codes for respective months. First one, second one, third one. Now tell me what is the code for July?
Sir, 0.
0.
0. What is the code for December?
6, sir.
6. What is the code for March?
4.
4. Code for April?
0.
0. Okay. So there are similar letters are there. Don't confuse with them because we know the order already. So this is April and it is August. This is July. This is January and this is this is June. This is July and this is January. Okay. So with the same letters, there is no confusion, right? So if you are okay with this codes, we'll start solving question. Okay. Can we do one question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Before doing question, let me clarify this. I'm explaining like a formula. How to get odd days in this method is odd days. Okay. Odd days equal to remainder of I'm drawing a line, but it is showing like dots. Okay, remainder obtained when what is the first term? First term is century code. Okay, century code. And the next term is how many are there? How many extra years are there in that century? Extra years in that century. Suppose if it is 1922, what is the century code? 19th century code is
Sir, 0.
0.
0. Extra years are 22. 1922. Okay. Extra years.
I didn't understand what you mean by extra years.
Extra years in that century. Suppose if I given year number like 1922. Here the century is 19th century. In that century, how many
Yes,
years
sir.
are there?
Okay, sir.
22. Suppose if it is a 2098, what is the century? 20th century. How many
20th
extra years
century.
are there?
98.
98 extra years. Next, century code. How many extra years are there? Next, number of leap years in extra years. So leap years in extra years.
So 5.
Yeah. If it is 22, 5. If it is 98, 24. Okay. 24, because 96 is divisible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, with this 3 terms, year part is over. Next, month code. Month code. And at last, how many days are given? How many days are given? So total this number we have to divide by 7. And what is the remainder? That will give the number of odd days. Okay. I'm applying for our question. What is the question? Above given question is?
15th,
Above given question. 15 August
15th August 2022.
2022. Okay. Right. Okay. Tell me, it is in which century? 20th century. Code is? 19th century 0. 20th century 6.
6.
So 4, 2, 0. Again 6 kada. 6, right? So 19th century 0 means 20th century it is 6. Okay, 6. Then how many years are there in that century?
22.
22.
5.
22. Next,
Yes, sir, 22
how
plus
many
5.
leap years are there in 22 years?
Sir, 5.
5.
Next, what is the month code? August code is? It is
8, sir.
yeah, see, it is in which group? First, second, third group it is 144 means 12 square, 5 square, 6 square. 6 square group. So middle one is 3. August
Sir,
is
it's 3.
directly we can use them. So it is 3. And how many days are there? 15 days.
15.
15. So that's all. 7 cancel. 7 cancellation. Multiples of 7 cancellation. So here 22 plus 6 is how much?
28.
28 we can
28.
cancel those two because
Yes, sir,
28 is
28.
exactly
Yeah,
different.
sir. Yes, sir. Correct.
Next 15, what is the remainder when
20.
divided by 7?
1.
One
One.
remainder, and this one, no, it is not. We cannot cancel that
The
one.
1 is remainder, right?
No. 1 is the remainder after cancelling 15.
Yes, sir.
Now,
So month code is 1, right? Okay, it's August. Okay, sorry, sir. Yes.
next is 5 plus 3 plus 1 is how much? Total 9. 9 means how many odd days are there in 9 days?
2, sir. But actual
2.
answer is 1, sir.
Okay, 2. But based on these two, how to say the days? In standard method, 0 started with what?
Sunday.
Sunday.
The Sunday.
But in this shortcut method, we have to start 0 with Saturday. Okay. In this shortcut method, we have to start 0 with Saturday. So 0 Saturday means 1. 1
Sunday.
is
Sunday.
and 2 is
Monday.
Monday.
Monday. So here, how many odd days are there finally? Here,
Sir, 2.
2 means
2
day
means
is
Monday, sir.
Monday. It is making me, it is irritating me pen. Okay, so here the day is Monday. In standard method, what is the answer? It is also Monday. Okay, it should be same. Otherwise, we have done somewhere wrong. Correct? Whatever may be the method, answer should
Yes,
be same.
sir. Date cannot change.
And give me any other date of your choice. Let us do one more question, and later we'll move on to the exercise. Give
The
any
5th December 2003.
5th.
December 2003.
Okay, December 2003. Okay. Yeah. First, tell me, it is in which century?
The 20th century.
20th.
20th century code is
6.
6.
how many years are there?
Sir, 3.
3 years. How many leap years are there in 3 years?
Sir, 0.
0.
0. Very good. Next, month code, December code is 6. 146, right? Lastly.
4.
Yes, sir. 6.
And then 5. So this is plus 5. Now cancel 7 multiples. What happened?
The answer is 6. 6 odd
Sir,
days.
6, sir.
Some
Yes,
multiples,
6.
which numbers we can cancel?
So 3, 6, and 5.
3, sir. 9. So 2 remaining.
3,
And
6 and 5. How much? Yes, very good. 3, 6 and 5, it will be 14 directly. And the
Yes,
remainder is 6. If the remainder is 6,
Yes,
what is
sir.
the day? start 0 with Saturday.
Friday.
So is Saturday.
There will be
6 will
Friday.
Friday, sir.
Yes, very good. 6 will be Friday. So that's all. That's the answer. Correct? Who told this date?
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
have one
sir.
doubt, sir. Can you go up?
1 second. Who told this date?
Sir, me, sir.
Who? Name? Shreyan?
Sir, me, Piyush.
Piyush. Okay. Is it your date of birth?
No, sir. I cannot be born in 2003, right?
Okay, okay. Is it Friday or not? Just for verification, confirmation.
Yes, sir.
purpose.
Yes, sir. It's Friday. So I was doing it before the class, but I was not getting it.
Okay,
So
okay.
I asked.
Now is it okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And what are you feeling? Is it better than standard method or not? Sorry. Yes, standard method compared to standard method, is it better or not?
It is easy only, sir, but not
Sir,
understanding.
it
Not
is
able to
easier, but
understand.
we have to memorize a bit.
Yeah, we have to memorize.
Sir, can you explain with another example, sir? I'm not understanding.
What you are not understanding, Shreyan. So
Sir, sir, this method is easy, sir, but not able to understand.
how can you say easy then without understanding? Shreyan.
By seeing, we can say no, sir.
Yeah. So here you need to memorize these two things only, and the century code and then month code. And for that memorization also I have given some tips. Okay. So 6420 for 19th century it is 0. And before numbers you can move on, and after numbers also you can move on. And next month code, sir. 12 square, 5 square, 6 square, and then 12 square plus 2. That's all. If you can memorize those two things, then shortcut method is very easy. If you
Can
are
you give it one example, sir? One more example, please.
one more example. Okay, let us do in our exercise only. Okay, some many more exercises are there. Okay, we can fill up these things already. We learned them. We can fill up these things. Tell me, for which century? 19th century code is? Tell me.
0.
0. Before 0?
0.
4.
Before
Before
2,
2?
4.
4.
Before 4?
6.
Before 6?
6.
0.
0.
And after 0?
6.
Then
4.
4.
2, and so on, right? Next is month
Yes,
codes.
sir.
Tell me, Jan, Feb, March.
144.
144.
144, 12 square. Then next group,
0 to 5.
025.
025.
next group,
036.
036, and next group,
146.
146.
146, 12 square plus 2. So just for memorization purpose, I'm writing here 12 square, and this is 5 square, this is 6 square, and this is 12 square plus 2. So not from these codes are not from these things, but to memorize these things, we are using them as a memory tip. I'm writing here memory tip. Okay. So we are moving on to exercises. So we are okay. All those things are discussed already, right? So how to get odd days? A remainder obtained when century code, number of years, a number of leap years in before that date, how many leap years are there, and month code, then days, and we have to divide that number by 7. Remainder is okay. Type 1, example 1. This is already done, but we will do it in a shortcut method also. Okay. Tell me, 19th century code is?
So 0.
How many years are there in that century? Shreyan, in that 19th century, how many years are there?
47.
47. Here we don't need to do -1. Okay. Directly we have to take the year number. 47 years. Next, how many leap years are there in 47 years?
So 11.
11. Very
11,
good.
sir.
If it is 12, it will be 48. It will exceed the number 47. Okay, 11. Next, with that year completed. Next, August code is?
Sir,
Three, sir.
May, June, July,
3,
August.
sir. 3, sir.
Third group. Yes, 3. Very good. And then 15 days. 15. Now cancel 7 multiples. 47. 40. Which numbers will take? 11 and 3, we can cancel them directly, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
15, if we cancel 7, 1 is the remainder.
Yes, sir.
47 plus 1, 48. If you cancel 7, or otherwise we can
6
cancel
is
47.
remaining.
42 is divisible, and as a remainder is 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6, means it is
So Friday.
Friday.
Sir, Friday.
In the beginning class, we have mentioned we got independence on Friday. Okay, next type 1, example 2. Yeah, be careful with this because it is a leap year. Okay, tell me, 19th century, how many years are there? Sorry, 19th century code is
0.
0 plus how many years are
96.
there in that century? 96.
96.
How many
96.
years will be there in 96 years?
So 24.
24.
Tell me, is it 23 or
No, sir,
24
23,
or
sir.
So 23.
No,
Sir,
23 because
23.
1996 is not completed yet.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Before 29th February.
1996 may be completed here or not completed here, but we should not depend on that 96. We have to depend on this date. Is it before Feb 29
Yes, sir.
or after Feb 29?
Yes.
Okay, if it is before Feb 29, 96 is not a leap year. If it is after Feb 29, 96, we have to consider
It
as
is a leap year.
Okay, so that's why we have to take how many leap years here?
So
23.
23.
23 only.
23.
Okay, if it is after, on or after Feb 29, on or after Feb 29, then we have to take it as leap year. Okay, then it will be 24.
Okay, sir.
But here now it is 23 only. After that, with the year completed, next February code is January, February, 144, 4. Okay, how many days are there?
9.
9 days.
Okay, cancel 7 multiples. 23 is divisible by 7 and 2 is the remainder. 96, 91 is divisible, right? Okay, directly we can say 96 plus 2 is 98. 98 is divisible by 7. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then 9 is divisible by 7 and the remainder is 2. 4 plus 2 is?
6.
So 6 is the remainder.
Yeah, here also
Right.
we got Friday only.
Friday.
So you can verify with your calculator or sorry, with your mobile. What is the day for this one? It is Friday only. No issue. Okay, and remember this point. If it is a leap year, if the given year is a leap year, while taking this number of leap years in that century, sorry, in those years, number of leap years in those years, if it is on or after February 29, means if February 29th is covered, we have to take it as it is. 96 means 24 only. Because it is not a leap year, because it is below February 29, we have to take it as 23 only, because 24th is not completed. Means 24th leap year not occurred yet. Okay.
Sir, even if it was after 29, then also we shouldn't have considered it as a leap year, right?
Yeah, after Feb 29, we have to consider it as a leap year only, 96. Up to that 29th, it is not a leap year. Okay. 1996
Yes, sir.
up to Feb 29th, up to Feb 29th, non-leap. Okay. After Feb 29, it's a leap. Right.
Can
Yeah.
you say this formula? I'm forget the formula, sir. I'm going to find. I'm not able to remember.
Don't memorize that formula and don't see that as the formula. Okay. What I'm telling, just what is it is in which century? How many years are there in that century? How many leap years are there in
Leap years 23. Yeah.
those years? And with that year completed, next month code, next days, month code and days.
Okay.
Don't think it is a formula.
Sir, that 4 is month, sir. 4 is month.
Yeah, month code 144, January,
Month
February,
code?
March.
Okay. Okay. 9 is big.
Yes. Okay, next third example. Be ready. It is in which century?
20th, sir.
Code is
6.
Sir.
how many years?
14.
Leap years in 14 years.
2, 3.
3,
Then
correct.
three.
If it is 4, 16, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
16 will exceed 14. That's why it is 3 only. Next, April code is Jan, Feb, March.
0,
April.
0, 0, 0. 0, 0.
Yeah, 0. And then how many days?
Days 6.
6.
Yeah, cancel 7 multiples.
So 14 cancels that. 14
The
cancel.
14.
6 plus 6 is 12 plus 3 is
15.
15 consists of how many odd days? 14
One.
divisible, right? 1.
1.
Yes,
0
sir.
is Saturday, 1 will be
Monday. Sorry,
Sunday.
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 Sunday. 0 Saturday means 1 Sunday. So that's all. Okay, you can do this exercise, sorry, example later. Okay. Can you do this or we'll do it now?
We'll do now.
Okay, we'll do
This
it
is
now.
new thing, no, sir.
18th
18th year we did not got them.
6, 4, 2, 0. So 19th century 0. Then 18th century code is
2, 2, 2.
2.
2. So 2. How many years are there? How many years are there in that century?
18. 18.
In how many leap years are there?
2, 4, 4, 4.
4, correct. If it is 5, it will be 20, correct. Then October code is October, November, December. 46.
So,
Yes or no?
1.
1. Okay.
1,
And
sir. Yes, sir. 1.
25.
25.
Here, I think we can cancel these 3. 25 plus 1 and plus 2.
so 1 is remaining.
Yes, correct. Overall, 1 is remainder.
Sunday.
22.
25 plus
1 is remainder.
28.
So it is Sunday, sir.
18 means it is 4. Or otherwise, 18 plus 4 is 22. 22 means it is 1. Overall, 1 is the remainder. So 1 is the remainder means 0 Saturday, 1 will be Sunday.
Sunday.
Next. Type 2, see. If, remember this one, if 3rd February 2017 is Sunday, then 3rd
Sir, this
February
is my question,
2020
sir.
will
So
be.
many days after I am asking, sir. So many days onwards I am asking this
Sir,
question.
we can directly calculate it, right?
Yeah, how?
Sir, we can directly calculate it, right?
How? Tell me.
So
Sir,
if it
with
is
the same method you told us, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir, we can directly calculate it.
so like
calculate-
if it is Sunday, then maybe 3 days after or before, something like that.
Okay. All right. You have recollected something, right? See, 3rd February and here also it is 3rd February. Directly we can go through go with the years, right? Year gap. How many years gap?
Wednesday, sir.
How
Sir,
many
it
years
will be
gap?
Wednesday.
Sorry?
So 3.
The 3 years.
Yes, 3 years. In those 3 years, any leap years are there?
No, sir.
No leap year because 17 to 18 non-leap year. 18 to 19 non-leap year. But 19 to 20
Non-leap year.
is it a leap year or non-leap year?
It is leap year, but
Sir,
the year
it's
3rd
not-
February. No, sir, it is not a leap year.
Yeah,
It's
because it
the
is in 3rd February. We are covering up to 3rd February only. That is why it is also not a leap year. So overall 3 leap years, 3 years are there. In those 3 years, leap years are not there, and all those 3 years are non-leap years only. Okay, non-leap years only. And every non-leap year consists of how many odd days?
So 1.
1. 3 non-leap years consists of
3 odd days.
3 odd days means simply we can do plus 3 for Sunday. So if this is Sunday, so plus 3
Sir,
will
we
be.
can also do it by other method, right?
Sorry,
Sir, we can do it by other method, right?
other method
The
means tell me what is that
shortcut
other?
method. So the shortcut method also.
Okay, I think this is the better than shortcut method for this question. This is better than shortcut method. Okay, and you can
Yes,
use
sir.
shortcut
Sir,
method
I was
also.
just generally asking.
You can use shortcut method also. We'll see maybe in the next questions for the same type
So
of.
sir, if it is a
Sir.
leap year, then we have to add 2 again.
Yeah, if it is a leap year, while splitting this 3, we have to take it as like a 3. So 1 leap year and the remaining 2 non-leap years. In that way, we have to take.
Sir, when you are starting this calendar chapter, I am asking this question only, sir. So many days only.
Yes.
Sir, but this is
Sunday plus 3 is how
simple
much?
question.
Sunday plus 3.
Sunday plus 3.
3.
Sir,
Wednesday.
Wednesday. So plus 3 it is Wednesday. So answer is Wednesday. Okay. Moving on to the next
Sir, but
question.
what if the date is not the same?
Means date is not same. I'll give another question. Okay. I think after this example, you will get that question also. Okay.
Okay,
But
sir.
they should ask far, sir, like 1986 to 1995, like that. This was.
Yeah, here also because the date is same, we'll go with the year numbers only. 1987 to 1993, how many years gap it is?
1 leap year.
6 years only. In those 6 years, how many leap years are there?
1, sir.
Only one. What is that year? 1988, correct?
1988.
There are 2 leap years, I think.
88
Yeah,
is
sir,
year.
2
And
leap years,
after
sir, actually.
1988,
1992.
92 is also leap year. So in these 6 years, how
Yes,
many leap
sir.
years are there?
Sir, 2.
Sir,
So
Yeah,
2 years there.
that is what I have mentioned in the previous class also. If it is a general case, we'll take it as in 6 years, how many leap years will be there means we'll take 1 only. But here the dates are mentioned. We have to see the dates. 1988 is a leap year and 1992 is also another leap year. So overall there are 2 leap years. So out of 6, 2 leap years and remaining 4 non-leap years, correct?
Leap years.
Okay.
Yes, a normal years.
Yes, normal years or non-leap years. Tell me, 2 leap years consists of how many odd days?
4 odd days.
4 non-leap years consists of how many odd days?
4 odd days.
4 odd days. 4 plus 4 is 8 means how many odd days?
So 1 odd day.
So 1.
1 odd days. Simply we have to do Saturday plus 1.
Sunday.
The answer Saturday plus 1 will be.
Sunday, sir.
Sir, it should be Sunday plus 1, right?
No. Given the given date is Saturday.
Okay, we have to do it from oh yes, yes. Sorry.
Okay. So if it is a Saturday, then what will be this date? So if it is Saturday, we have to move 1 day after Saturday. If you move 1 day after Saturday, it will be Sunday, right?
sir.
Okay. And then next question. Yes. What if the date is not same? Tell me, anyone.
That is the question, sir.
Sir,
This is the
I
question I'm
think we
asking.
should do it in the shortcut method, but the numbering of the dates will be different.
So we can simply add 1 day or subtract 1 day or whatever the like day is there. Like suppose it's a given Sunday, but we have in the question Monday, then we can do it like -1, something like that.
No. It depends on this one. If he had given it is a Sunday, we don't know whether it is Sunday or not. If it is Sunday, he is mentioning if it is Sunday, what will be this date? These questions are just like a coding decoding question only. In a certain code language, this is written as this one. Then how will this be written in the same language? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. Tell me how to do this question. Use somebody mentioned
Sir, I
it is
think we
using
should,
shortcut method. How do you use shortcut method? Tell me.
Sir, I think we should use a shortcut method and find the actual day of 3rd October 1988.
Exactly.
And then
Very good.
according to that, we have to change the numbers, the numbers and the days. And
Exactly.
then we can find for 9th February 2020.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. So just now I mentioned, 1 second, my pen stuck. Okay. So he's telling this, if this is Sunday, actually we don't know whether it is Sunday or not, but it is very easy to find or to confirm whether it is Sunday or not. Yes or no? Using which method? Using shortcut method.
Shortcut.
Okay. Using shortcut method, try to find the actual day for this one. What is the actual day for 1988 October 3rd? Tell me. 19th century code is
0.
0.
how many years are there?
88 years.
88 years. How many leap years are there in 88 years?
22.
Second.
22, sir.
And after that 22 years. 22 means actually 88 is a leap year, but why you are taking 22 means because it is in October. Okay. If it is not in October, if it is in January or February, we'll take 21 only. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, without year completed. Next month code. October code is October, November, December. Last group 146. 1. Okay. And then 3rd August means 3rd October means 3. Now cancel 7 multiples. What happened to my pen? Okay. Cancel 7 multiples. 88 when it is divided by 7, what is the remainder? 4, I think. 84 is divisible,
4,
correct?
sir.
Okay. Then 22 when divided by 7?
Yes, sir.
1.
We can cancel 4 and 3.
Yeah, we can
So
cancel.
6 are remaining, sir.
And 2, right? 1 plus 1, 2.
So 6 is remaining. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
it is Monday, sir. Actually.
If it is 2, what is the actual day for this one? It is actually 0 Saturday, 1 Sunday, 2 Monday. So here given Monday, he is mentioning it as Sunday. Monday is calling it as Sunday. Means what is the relation? +1 or -1?
Sir, -1.
-1 is the relation. Simply we'll find the actual day for this one and we'll use the same relation -1 to get the answer. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Actual day, find the actual day for this one, second date. 20th century. Code. What is the code?
6.
Sunday.
How many years?
So Saturday is 2020.
Let us find. 20th century is 6. How many years?
21.
21.
Yes.
Sir, in question, they're giving us wrong data.
Sorry?
Sir, in question, how can they give us wrong data?
How can you?
Sir, how can they give us wrong data in the question?
Wrong data.
Yes, sir.
Where is the
Sir,
wrong
actually,
data?
sir, actually, it's Monday, so they have given it Sunday, no?
Yeah, that is why I'm mentioning this one as he has used it. He used a word in the question beginning only. What is that term? What is that word?
Okay, yeah, if, okay.
F.
He's telling that if it is a Sunday, sorry, he is not confirming the Sunday. If it is Sunday, what will be this date? And we for our safety purpose, we are finding first of all whether it is Sunday or not. We are confirming that. So finally, we got the answer as Monday. Okay, and after finding Monday, then we realized actually this is Monday, but he has given it as Sunday. Means -1 is the relation here, and we'll find the actual day for the second also, and we'll use the same relation. Before day will be our answer.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
20th
I
century.
have a doubt.
How many years? 21 years. In 21 years, leap years are? Tell me.
Sir, 5.
5. February
5
code is
leap years.
February
4.
4. Right. And then how many?
Sir, I have a doubt.
9. Cancel 7 multiples. 21 we can cancel directly. Next. 9 plus 5 is how much?
14.
14.
14.
6 plus 4 is? 10 means how? What is the remainder?
3.
3. Finally, it is 3.
Sir,
3
3.
is the day.
Sir,
0
it's,
Saturday,
Tuesday.
1 Sunday, 2 Monday, 3 Tuesday, right? Actual
Yes, sir.
9th February to 2021 is Tuesday, but our answer here is before day of Tuesday. What is the day?
Sir, Monday.
Got it?
So
What if?
it's saying it's a Sunday. So 2 days.
Sorry? What?
So it's saying Sunday, so it should be 2 days.
I didn't get your point. Tell me again.
Sir, okay, yeah, understood.
So for this, it is Sunday, not for our question. Right? Okay. If the date is not same, we have to proceed in this way. And with this, type 2 is over. Next, we are moving on to type 3. Okay, ready?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Tell Ananya.
Sir, will the month code change for leap years?
No, month code will not change for leap years.
Okay, sir.
Year codes and month codes are same for only thing is if it is a leap year, we have to confirm whether it is before that leap year or after that leap year. If the given
Okay.
date is before leap year, we have to do we have to take one number less than those leap years. If it is after that Feb 29, we have to take it as it is. 88 when divided by 4, it is directly 22. If it is in January or February, we'll take 21 only. That is the only thing we have to change.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Right. And we are moving on to type 3. See, if here also he has used that word if today is Sunday, then what will be the day after 125 days? Just tell me how to do this question.
Sir, 125 by 7 and add the remainder to Sunday.
Very good, exactly. So because we cannot add day by day, if it is Sunday plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to 125, we cannot do.
Sir, means we should take 1 hour time, sir, for that.
Yes.
Middle we can miss something, sir.
Just tell me if today is Sunday, what will be the day after 1 week?
So Sunday.
Sunday.
After 2 weeks?
Sir,
Sunday.
Sunday.
After 100 weeks?
Sunday.
Sunday.
Don't
Sunday
know.
only. Here
Sunday.
the question is independent of number of weeks, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And tell me, if today is Sunday, what will be the day after 1 week and 1 day?
So Monday.
Monday. Here that 1 week is not affecting the question.
Tuesday.
That 1 day is affecting the question, correct?
Yes, sir.
And in
Sir,
that case,
Saturday,
what is
sir.
that 1 day?
Saturday.
That is number of odd days, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is why we need to find number of odd days in 125 days. So here we can ignore a number of weeks and we have to concentrate on that extra days only, nothing but odd days only. So tell me 125
Sir,
when divided by 7. Yes?
Sir,
Any doubt?
we
Sir,
should
6
take,
odd days, sir.
Ananya, any doubt?
yes, sir. We should take 0 as the day given in the question, right?
0 means?
Like 0 is Sunday, 1 is Monday, like that.
No. Here we don't use that one. That code is
Saturday.
only when
It
we
is
are finding the
Saturday.
day for the given date. That code is only when we are finding the day for the given date. Okay. Here any
Okay.
date is not mentioned. Now you can
So it'll
forget
be
those
Saturday,
codes.
6 remainder.
For this model, you can forget those codes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So it's
Remainder
Saturday, 6 remainder.
125
Six
when divided
remainder,
by
sir.
7. Remainder is
6
So
hours.
6, Saturday.
So Saturday. That's all I told, sir.
what is the number divisible? 7 1 times 7 55. Okay, 49 is
1
divisible.
1
Remainder
1
6, correct.
So 126 is divisible by 7, so it'll be 6.
So don't say by seeing 6, don't say it is Friday. Okay, we have to do Sunday plus 6. Okay,
Sir, Saturday.
Yes, sir. So it'll be Saturday.
it will be Saturday. So I think we can instead of adding plus 6, we can do one thing. What is that thing? Instead of adding 6, we can do
-1.
The minus 1.
Yes, because it is a 7-day cycle. Because it is a 7-day cycle. So instead of plus 6, here my pen. What happened to this? I'm using eraser now only. Okay. Okay. Instead of plus 6, we can do -1, -1. Instead of plus 5,
-2.
this is -2. Instead of plus 4, -3. Correct. Instead of -6, what we can do?
So plus 1.
Oh, +1.
1 second. Somebody is waiting. Instead of -6, we can do +1. Instead of -5, +2. Instead of -4,
+2. -3.
-3. So just we are converting bigger numbers into small numbers, correct? Considering 5, 4, 5, 6 as bigger numbers, we are converting them into 1, 2, 3. Right. Okay, next question in this type 3. Tell me, if today is Tuesday, then what will be the day before 95th day? So it is not after, okay, after 125 days, it is before. So here what to do? How to do this question?
So
Tell me.
take the minus instead of
Yeah.
plus, take minus.
Do minus. Finding the number of odd days is same. Okay. Find number of odd days in remaining. Sorry, in 95 days. Remainder obtained when 95 divided by.
Sir, 4, sir.
Divided by 7.
Sir, it is Sunday, sir. The answer is Sunday.
Okay, your answer is over, but my pen is not moving. Sorry, this is not 4, this is 7. Okay, 95 and divided by 7, the remainder is 4. We have to do plus 4 or minus 4 for Tuesday.
So minus 4.
Minus 4. So answer.
So Friday.
Answer is Tuesday. Tuesday minus 4. So instead of minus 4, what we can do?
Plus 3.
Plus 3. Actually, plus 3 is easy compared to minus 4. So Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So answer is Saturday. Right?
So no, sir, it's Friday.
Tuesday, Wednesday,
Friday.
Thursday, Friday. Okay, okay. Sorry. This is Friday. Correct.
Sir,
And then-
time up.
Time is over. You have class, right?
Yes, sir, I have class, sir.
So we don't have class today.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
then we'll do only this question in type 3. Okay, we'll complete up to type 2. Only 2 questions are remaining. We'll make it fast, okay? Only 2 questions are there.
Okay, sir.
Because we have 1 more minute. 54 when divided by 7. See, read the question first. If today is Sunday, then what will be the day? What will be the
Friday.
54th day
Friday, sir. Friday.
from today?
Friday.
How it is Friday? Tell me.
Sir,
54 divided by
54,
7.
sir. If we remainder is 6, sir.
49 is divisible, right?
Sir, 5, 5, sir. 5, sir. 5, sir.
Yeah, 5 is the remainder. 5 is the remainder.
5 is remainder. So Sunday plus 5.
No, will be
Sunday minus Sunday plus 5.
minus.
Sunday plus 5 or minus 5?
So minus
Minus
2.
minus 2.
Sunday plus 5.
Yeah,
Sunday plus
And,
5.
Sunday
Sunday
minus
plus
2.
5 is what is the date? Instead of plus 5 we can
So
do
Friday.
Friday, Friday.
Friday.
Friday. And Friday is a wrong answer. Friday is a wrong answer. See the question, comparison between first question and third question. Here, what is the question? What will be the day? What will be the day after 125 days? Yes or no?
Sir,
But here the
So
Okay,
question,
sir,
maybe
Saturday.
sir, it's
so here the
Sir,
question
it's
is
Thursday.
not after 54 days. Here the question is the 54th day only.
So it'll be Thursday, sir.
Yes, it is Thursday. So here, can we convert this question like previous question? Like previous means first question. Can I write it
sir,
as?
yes, sir. We can write it as 53.
Sir, after 53rd day.
Yes, exactly. 54th day. Can I write it as a day after 53rd day?
Yes, sir.
So day after 53rd day means here while finding the number of odd days, we have to consider 54 or 53.
So 53.
53 only. So consider 53 only. So remainder obtained when 53 divided by 7. 53 divided by 7 remainder is 4 only. Simply add 4, not 5. So Sunday plus 4 is how much? Plus 4. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So answer is Thursday. Got it? comparison between first and third questions is okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
After, if the question is a day after format, we can use them directly. Otherwise, if it is a 54th day likewise, we have to use this one, use this concept. And last question for this session, tell me, if the day before yesterday is Thursday, if the day before yesterday is Thursday, what will be the day after 150 days? So first of all, I think it is better to bring this date to today, correct?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Saturday.
Day before yesterday is Thursday means that today is
Saturday.
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 So now you can use the same previous method only. 150 days consists of how many odd days?
So 3.
Remainder obtained when 150 divided by 7 is 147 is divisible.
3, sir.
147 is divisible means 3. So simply do +3 for Thursday or Saturday?
Tuesday.
Saturday,
So
sir.
Sunday, sir, it is minus
Saturday.
For Saturday. So now the answer is Saturday
Tuesday.
+3.
+3.
How much?
It is Tuesday.
So Tuesday is the answer, right?
The day before yesterday date also, sir. But the Sunday, no, sir.
Okay, we have 2 more models, I think. Example, sorry.
Yes, sir. Sir. The answer is wrong, no, sir. Tuesday. They told day before yesterday, no, sir.
Day before yesterday is Thursday, but we found already today. What is today?
Saturday.
Saturday. Yes, sir. Based on today, we are telling this one.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yes. Right. We are leaving now, and in the next class, we'll complete this topic and we'll start clocks also. After calendar,
Okay,
we'll
sir.
start, right?